welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but here's a video for you. Well, I've done lives, but those don't count. So, we're going to do a fixing my slime. So, they've been sitting out, and they're not that good. They rip and stuff.
Yeah.
So, we're going to fix them. Yeah, that one's shaving cream. I mean, it's not that rippy, but it's like kind of tough, you know?
Yeah, mine's kind of like it's sticky, and I'm trying to get it non-sticky.
This was also on her channel, our colored slime, when we did the 3 colored slime. Yeah. So, I'm going to start fixing mine.
Oh my gosh.
Because she already started.
It's a bunch of shaving cream.
I'm going to make mine a little bit stretchier with some conditioner. And softer. It's kind of like lotion. I mean, I have lotion, but I'm not using it.
Can you make slime? And don't get that in mine, please. I have enough.
Yeah, you have plenty. I'm just going to put a little bit of shaving cream that was on my hand. It wasn't much.
And some that's on your hand now.
We're just like videoing, so. Like all night. Like legit, we've been videoing like all afternoon.
Stop. Oh.
I was cleaning up the shaving cream. We've been trying to call our friend, but apparently she's at her friend's house and she won't answer. She also has a YouTube channel. I ain't getting into it. Because I ain't going to give out all the information because she'll be mad at us.
This is making it like lighter gray.
Yeah, that's going to make it lighter. Mine's more gray than yours. Yours is more green.
Mine's tough now.
Mine's like blue-gray. In the camera, it's really gray, but in real life, it's like...
Where's the lotion?
The lotion's down there. The brown one. I just put some in my bowl and then like mixed it. You need to clean out your bowl. You got shaving cream in it. That's probably good. Lotion, it doesn't take a whole lot.
As much as you did. I'm not going to do my bowl right now.
I didn't add lotion.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. I added conditioner.
You had lotion.
You
said you called that lotion.
No, I said it's like lotion. But it's not lotion. It's like, it makes your slime like you added lotion.
This is so good now. I'm not adding any more shaving cream to it. Should we make another slime video?
We can make it in this one.
Uh-huh.
So we're going to just make this a regular slime video.
Yeah. Just regular slime.
Yeah. We're going to show you how to make just a basic regular slime.
So I'm just going to already have shaving cream in it because I'm going to add shaving cream.
I'm making regular, she's making fluffy.
So,
let's get started.
Okay. So, look, I'm going to go wash this out in the sink.
No.
Yes, I don't want to use it in my slime.
Okay, then no. Okay, so we're both making a basic white glue slime. Now, we're going to add some stuff that is optional. Color. It's food coloring. It's optional. You don't have to add it, but you can. Oh, mine's still bad. Whatever. We have bigger ones. It's just we're using these because they're closest to us. It's kind of cool when like shaving cream goes in slime because like
wet bowl. And wet hands.
It's okay. The water's not gonna help or hurt it because there's not gonna be a hole.
Okay, let's get started.
No, I'm not done.
Well, can I make clear?
No, we're making a basic.
Basic slime.
Basic slime means stuff that you can have around your house.
Basic slime. I can have clear glue around the house.
Not everybody does. So, we're going to be making a just random white glue.
And then we're making clear glue.
Okay. A just regular white glue with baking soda and contact glue solution.
Can you open this?
Okay, 1 second.
I'm cleaning my bowl completely out. Just set that right there.
Okay, so, got our bowls.
Open the glue.
First, you need a bowl and a spoon. Got spoons.
And then, oh my gosh, I just dumped it. You need white or clear glue.
Yep. But we're using
okay, look.
white first, then we're going to use
White or
Clear glue.
What?
Yeah.
Alright. First, wait.
I'll just use that. So we're gonna be making something similar to this, but like
It came out so fast.
you want 4 to 8 ounces, but Miss Ella just added a whole bunch.
It is not a whole bunch. It's actually
Well,
not a
it's
lot.
kind of like half the bowl. Okay, so I know when it's about 4 ounces. It like senses me. I need the lid. Okay, so
That's about the same size on that.
Oh, well, that's a little bit more on your side, but it's okay.
Wait. Can we add?
Yeah, because I said we're adding optional stuff that you would usually add.
Okay, so now we're adding food dye.
Yeah, because we want our slime colored, but
I
you
want
don't have to add this. You want blue? It is Dozen Blue is the
What
scent.
does it smell like?
I don't know. Well,
She
it
got
says
colored
it's
glitter.
scented, so.
It says that. Doesn't mean it is.
I'm going to do pink.
What does it smell like? Smell yours.
That smells good.
Mine stinks. Let me smell yours. Smell mine.
I think it's your hands.
Give me the pink.
Why?
See pink.
It doesn't smell bad, Ella. It's your hands. Here, I'll do
You
that
hold
for
it.
you.
No, hold it.
Why?
Let me smell it.
Hey. Just wipe it with your slime.
Blue lips today.
I'll help you get it off after the video.
I'm put shaving cream on my lips.
No, you put something else on your lips, but keep your lips closed and I'll go help you. We'll be right back. No, not shaving cream. I was gonna put something else on it, but okay.
What? Like what?
Oh, don't eat it. It's soap, you idiot. Okay, put water on it. Go put water on it. Ella, that's not gonna wipe it off. You have to have water. We're gonna see if this makes our slime sticky or scented. We'll see.
Oh, you just okay. Let's go put on something.
Okay, I'll help
in
you.
a minute.
What? First, we're gonna continue our video. Ella,
No, we're not.
Oh my.
No, we're
goodness.
not.
Okay.
We will be right back.
I gotta find the ingredient I need.
Aw, Disso.
Keep your mouth closed.
I will put it on.
No, get close. Close.
Stop.
Ella, I have some all over my hand.
Good. Where's a mirror in your room?
There's a mirror right here. There's a mirror right here. It's all over your lip. Now run water over it. Run water over it. No. Water. Here. Put your lips in that. Ew, not on my hands. Put it in there. Put your lips in there. I got it. Right there. That's a weird sound. Hey, Mom. Ooh. Good. It tastes bad, doesn't it? Turn the water off. Come here. What? It's just been on my head. I'm sorry about the long wait, Ella. Okay.
I did nothing.
I did nothing.
I did nothing.
You don't need the shaving cream. See, Dawn gets it all off. Dawn Platinum.
I did not see that. I just
Coming.
spit my slime. Did you not see that?
Y'all didn't see that. She's gross.
Ow. I ain't not gross. I ain't not gross.
Ain't not,
How about
okay.
I want to have Mama Magic.
No, because we're making a basic slime.
Next time we're making butter. And then we'll make fluffy. And then we'll make glue.
We'll make fluffy butter, okay? That's a slime. That's a thing. That's a
Where's
slime.
borax in the contact solution? Boop.
Borax, really?
Borax.
Borax. Add baking soda. We have a big thing. And baking soda went everywhere.
And Bokins.
Baking soda, yeah.
Okay. Contact solution. This is how she's supposed to add it.
Saline solution is what we're using. Yeah, that's how I add it. I hope I got some out. It didn't look like any came out.
Contact solution.
I'm standing up. I'm not
Nope,
taking
sit down. You just got contact solution all over.
Oh,
You're gonna overactivate that.
no, it's not even off the sides of the bowl yet. No, it's not. You need to wait till it's off the sides of the bowl. If you know how to make slime, I'm sorry I'm harassing you about how to make slime. But some people out there don't know how to make slime and they want to make it, so I'm helping them. I don't know.
No.
No, don't do that. That's just the way me and Ella do it.
Don't do that.
Don't do that because that'll overactivate it.
Oh.
So that seems like enough.
Doesn't tell me that.
You need to wait till.
About this
Well, me and Ella know how to add the right amount and stop. So you need to wait till it's coming off the sides of the bowl, or it's gonna be way too sticky. So here's my slime. It is a quick and easy thing. It wouldn't be freaking 8 minutes long
If I didn't get dye. If you didn't get dye.
if we both didn't have to clean that up.
Clean what up?
Your dye off your hands. Or your lip. Not your hands.
Yeah,
This
mine.
actually turned out really pretty.
Look at mine. We should mix them.
Oh,
Yeah.
that cut you out. Okay. There we go.
Let's mix them.
No.
You got slime in my hair.
No, I didn't.
We're mixing them.
No, we're not. I am not mixing my slime. Ella, is yours good slime?
Yes.
Then don't mix it. Yours is tougher than mine.
No, it's not.
I can tell.
It's not tougher.
Mine, I didn't add a whole lot of activator. Like
Neither
you
did I.
You started before I did. And
Okay.
did it later than I did, so yeah.
Though that doesn't mean
You
anything.
added 4 big squirts of it, and I added 2. I see you.
See me through what? Your phone?
My slime smells like raspberry.
Ew, mine smells like contact solution.
Mine smells like glue.
Funny. So, this is so strong.
I know, because I know how to make slime. You don't. Ella Robertson, I get a piece of yours.
Okay, let me get you a piece. That's as much as I got. Let's just mix them.
No. I wanted a little bit of blue.
I wanted a little bit of blue. I need a lot more pink.
No. Take a little bit of your slime. That's too big. That's too big. Okay, that's good.
I want to mix it.
Now, put it together.
What color
Now
is it?
take a little bit more so I get one. Take a little
See
bit.
what color
That's
it
too
makes.
much. Okay, so now watch. Ready?
Look at my slime swirl.
Oh, I didn't know.
I
you had
don't
pink.
talking in mom.
Ew.
Ah.
Okay, I get to add mine to my slime. You get to add yours to your slime.
Let's just.
Boop, boop, boop. Oh, mine's more blue than it is pink. See? It still looks very cool. But the blue's darker than the pink is. The pink's very light.
I'm making a pink one next round.
Okay.
Let's
Pink
go.
fluffy butter.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, I need to put this in a bag. Or not a bag.
Same with me. I'm not keeping this. Can I throw this away?
Sure.
I don't want it. Can I have a container? I have no more of those containers.
You can get them at the dollar store.
I know, for $1.
I should have got some more today. Even though I have a bunch more.
Where's my lid?
The lid. I'm throwing those away.
They're not good slime. These
Huh?
are. I said they're not good slimes like these.
No, because yeah.
Next slime. So this first round was cotton candy. Should name it cotton candy.
Yeah.
First round because it's like cotton candy.
Colors.
Yeah.
Candy colors. And And next round it'll be cotton candy colors again because I'm using blue next round
And I'm
she's
using pink.
Hey, you should have wiped that off.
Sorry. It's fine. So I need pink Model Magic. I'm gonna use my pink slime.
No, you're not using pink Model Magic. I save those for special occasions. I didn't.
Her shirt.
No, I didn't. We had to get it out of yours.
No, we did not. We
The
did not have
heck
to get
is
that out of
in
mine.
it?
Then what kind of Model Magic am I using?
You're using regular.
White.
Yes. Okay, I'm changing my shirt.
No! That's
Yes. I'm filming. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.
part 2.